Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. If you're using CapCut Pro on PC, you might have faced this problem. You finish editing your video, click on export, and suddenly a pop-up appears asking you to join the CapCut Pro subscription. This happens especially when you use Pro elements or features during editing, and many users get confused at this point. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro on your PC for free. And yes, no crack, no hack, and no shady tricks. I'll show you a safe, clean, and working way that anyone can use. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't have CapCut installed on your system, install it now from CapCut website or from Microsoft Store. Once you've done the installation, open CapCut. Now go ahead and edit your video. Feel free to add all the Pro transitions, 4K effects, and premium stickers you want. Usually, if you were to click the export button right now, CapCut would scan your timeline, see those Pro features, and block you with a paid elements pop-up asking for money. So, instead of using the export button right now, we are going to force CapCut to render the video inside the timeline as a preview file. To do this, first click your timeline and press Ctrl+A to select everything. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges everything into a single layer. Now click on the compounded clip and go to Video on the top right. Here just scroll down until you see Motion Blur. Expand it and enable Motion Blur and set it to 0. If you want, you can also just use it too. This will take some time to get it finished. Just wait for it to finish. Okay, now the motion blur processing completed. You can see here, it shows on the video motion blur applied. After the processing is finished, your 4K video is actually sitting on your hard drive. CapCut just hide it in a temporary cache folder. Now we need to go dig it out. This is the location. The video got saved. So minimize CapCut. Now you need to follow this exact path to find where Cap buried that video file. Open this PC. Open and go to C drive. Then open users. Open your user folder from here. Here open app data folder. Then open local. Go to CapCut, then user data, then projects. Look for a folder named com. Editor, draft. This is the draft storage. Here you'll see the folders for all your projects. Find the one that matches your current project name or number. Open it up. Go to resources and finally the video ULG folder. You'll see two files here. Ignore the file ending in alpha. That's just transparency data. You want the file ending in MPP4. This is your fully rendered high-quality video file that we tricked the software into making. Now I will close CapCut, and if I try to open this video, it is opened with all Pro features. And there you have it, a legitimate way to use CapCut Pro features on PC by simply understanding how the software renders files. If this trick saved you today, please smash that like button. If you get stuck at any step, comment down below and I'll help you out. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.